Good morning, everybody. Whew, bicycle ride is done. Another beautiful day, starting in the low 70s this morning. So Florida is definitely Floridian again today. Anywho, we're all getting ready to pack up and hop in the vehicles, and we're headed to St. Pete because it's Baby Badger's 21st birthday, and we're hanging out with her and doing whatever the hell she wants. And then Friday night is bar hopping night, so we're all gonna go hop some bars with the new 21-year-old and have a good time. Designated driver here, so I'll be chauffeuring everyone around from bar to bar to bar to bar. Anywho, with that said, I've got to get in, get coffee, get a little bit of work done before we head off to St. Pete to celebrate her birthday. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
All right, first stop on Desi's 21st birthday is the pool. She got 3 cabanas here and a big table, so we're all just hanging out with her and her friends. They're all in the pool doing their thing. All right, part 1 of the day is over and it's raining, of course. Welcome to Florida. Now we're going to some other bar.
One night stand.
One night stand. We're gonna ride a bull. They're gonna ride a bull.
Yeah.
I personally think it's a bull.
Not my plan.
Yeah, we'll see if Mama rides the bull. Yeah, she's already hurting.
I am.
All right. You've seen Baby Badger ride a motorcycle. Can she ride a bull? That didn't take long. All right, guys, we are back. And as you can see, I did not shoot very much footage today. There was everybody was just hanging out, having a good time. Baby Badger had a great 21st birthday, and now we're back. It's like 9:30 at night, and I've been thinking all day about what I wanted to have this video, the subject of it be. And I have a video, a short video I did a while back, and it was about all the people that like get on to me anytime they see me without a helmet on, and how it pisses people off that I don't wear a helmet, and how I'm going to be a burden on society if I have an accident and I have brain damage, and I'm going to use their tax money, and I'm going to raise their insurance, and yada yada. I mean, just it goes on and on and on and on. And this video, I don't know why, but the algorithm picked it up, shot it out again, and so like it's just for the past few days, like the comments have just been insane. But the other piece to this is Baby Badger just turned 21. And in Florida, now that she is 21, she can not wear a helmet. Now, most of you guys know that I don't usually wear a helmet unless I'm in a state that requires me to wear a helmet. I always obey the law. I wear my helmet unless, like last year, like we were traveling from state to state, and we went into a state and didn't realize that we had passed into the state. And so we got to a town and I was like, oh my goodness, I don't have a helmet on. And I'm supposed to have a helmet on. But for the most part, we try to obey whatever law there is in the state. So now Desi gets to make that choice. She is 21 years old and she can choose to not wear a helmet. Now, I wore a helmet all of my life. Like all of my life, because it was required in Florida. And when I moved to Missouri, Angie's like, look, I would like you to wear a helmet until the kids turn 18 years old. So the kids turned 18 and I continued wearing my helmet because she was riding hers, I was riding mine, and we were both wearing our helmets. And then one day Angie rips her helmet off and she's like, it hurts my ears, I'm not happy with it, it hurts my neck, I'm not wearing a helmet. So that was like the green flag for me. I've been dying not to wear my helmet. And now I very rarely wear my helmet. But that is a choice. Everybody that wants to make that choice should be able to make that choice, in my opinion. And then all the people that are like, well, you know, if you get in a crash and you get a brain injury because you're not wearing your helmet, the taxpayers should not have to pay for that. Well, first off, the taxpayers are myself and my family as well. And I feel like we deserve that money just as much as everybody right now that's getting the money. Everybody that's unemployed, everybody that's crossing into the country that shouldn't be crossing into the country. All of those people that are getting our tax dollars, Ukraine, all of them, they ain't paid shit in taxes. I have, so I believe I deserve it. Just period, plain and simple. So if something does happen, I'm pretty heavily insured, but it doesn't matter. And they're like, well, if you made a choice and that choice ended up in your injury, then you should not get coverage. All right, so I'll play that game with you. So if you're driving down the road and you're going 5 miles an hour over the speed limit and you get in an accident, then you got no coverage, right? Because you made a choice to go over the speed limit. Or you didn't use your turn signal. Or you ate fast food and became obese. I mean, almost every sickness, injury, or something has to do with a choice, right? We can even drill it down to, you know what, if you'd have left your house at 11:45, you would have been in that spot 15 minutes earlier and you would have missed the accident. I mean, do you see how this can go? Like, I can go down the rabbit hole with this pretty quickly. But anyway, I digress. That's not where this is going. There are a lot of people that wear all the gear all the time. I keep hearing that. And they wear leathers, and they wear boots, and they wear special riding pants, and they wear shoulder pads and elbow pads, and you are welcome to do that. A lot of the people that do that, they also ride crotch rockets. And in my opinion, they wear that because they're planning on doing stuff that probably isn't legal, right? They're going to go fast, hit the curves. They're going to do all the stuff that you do on a crotch rocket. And that's why they're all bundled up, because they're going to be breaking the law. And they probably should be. I am usually not doing that on my Hurley. I'm just riding across the country. Yeah, I'm usually at least 5 miles an hour over the speed limit. I'm usually not dodging in and out of traffic. But the other thing to this is I have been looking for statistics for a while now. And there's all kinds of statistics about how, you know, a helmet, you're 37% less likely to get a brain injury wearing a helmet. But on the flip side of that, 60% of all motorcycle deaths are wearing their helmet. But there's a stat that I cannot find. I want to know, of all the accidents we have in a year, how many of them are wearing a helmet and how many are not wearing a helmet. And here's why. So one of the reasons Angie hates her full face helmet is she feels like it blocks some of her view. Now, you can argue this, but, you know, I agree. Like, those pads still come up and put a blockage like this on your eyes, right? So when you look, if you don't turn your head far enough back, you could miss somebody, or it might block up some of your peripherals. I know there are going to be people like, that's BS. I'm telling you, it's true. The other thing is, if I spend 12 to 14 hours on a motorcycle, my neck gets really sore with a helmet on. And then that can give me a headache. But it does. Like, I think you probably have to work your neck out a lot, right? F1 guys, I think they do some kind of exercises for the helmet and the G-forces. I mean, we don't have the G-forces, but we are wearing our helmets for 10, 12, 14 hours a day. That is extra weight on your head and neck. Throw in the wind with that. I mean, you're fighting that all day, right? Even behind a fairing or a windshield. Like wind's coming from the side. It's a constant battle. So you have that too. Now, I'm not saying that helmets are bad. Helmets are great if you want to wear them. But I'm just saying they're not the end-all, be-all. I feel like it's just a choice that you have to make for yourself and your body. And it's really nobody else's business. I don't care if you're a taxpayer or not. Anyway, that's it, guys. The end. We will see you all tomorrow.